Yeah. They literally say.
Alright,
I think they
guys,
literally
let's
say
go
that.
into the second one. Oh yeah, at the very end of Cabaret, you find out that Scout Mentor Lumpus is actually just an imposter. He actually tied up the original. He actually tied up.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't you remember? It was like so fucked up.
Yeah.
Yeah, like the entire time, like they just.
Yeah, it
just
was really
stole
fucked
it.
up.
Wait, what?
Everyone was like, "What the fuck?" It was really
I didn't
good.
think of it at the time like as anything. I thought it was like just a one-off gag. But no, it seems like it's just. That's not the end of the episode. All right. Well, then this is how we're gonna end our episode. Bye bye. I think, right? Did you?
No, this is the second episode.
Yes, this isn't the real shake.
Oh, okay, okay. Well, whatever. I'm not paying attention to the screen. My baddie. My bad. Anyways. Yeah. Anyways, as I was saying, the I didn't think of it much at the time when I saw that episode. It's
I
just
didn't
like
hit
when
anyone really much until you watch it again years later, and you look.
it's like you.
It's like
You
that.
realize, I thought it was
bullshit
like his manager or something like that. You know, you think it would like be like his manager, like, hey, what the heck, man? You tied me up. You know, like just as like a one-off gag. But no, he was like, hey, I'm the actual guy. You know, I'm the
He gets
actual
arrested.
guy.
He gets arrested at the end, which was the best part.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. He was just as
Wait, what about
the
the
egg cube.
crush on? What was it? Was it like a possum or something from like the girl camp?
Oh, you mean the girl that liked Laszlo? Or
No, the one that Lumpus was crushing on.
the
The elephant or
no.
the duck?
Was it a duck? I thought
The
maybe it
mouse.
was a
It was like
Nope.
like some sort of like kangaroo thing.
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
She led the girls camp across the lake or something.
That's I love she was great. I loved her character, especially the interaction, because I think she knew the whole entire time that he wasn't the real headmaster. But
It's not a headmaster, it's a scoutmaster.
Scoutmaster, I'm sorry. You're right. I'm sorry.
Get your lore right.
Get my lore right. Okay. Well, next time
yeah,
I'll
that
make fan
incredible
fiction. I'll change it to a Scoutmaster. You're right.
Okay, you know what? Am I the only one
Yes.
who remembers Fusion Ball?
What?
Oh yeah, I remember the
I
advertisement.
played. Yeah, no, I played for like an hour and then I stopped. It was just bad.
Didn't they give every single character like
crap.
show
I died.
like character?
Huh.
Oh.
Pretty much. Not every single, but I think every single show that was running at the time did.
Sorry, the black
They
Yoshi
got like
got
an
killed.
anime redesign.
Guys, I
Yeah,
have
it
sad
was really
news.
What?
The black Yoshi has died.
Yeah, but it's all your fault.
Okay, play as the white Yoshi.
Okay.
It's like
Black one's always the first to die.
Yes. White then
Oh,
black.
that.
Or black then white. I almost
No, it
missed
would have been the.
And that was the first of Jake's deaths.
Yes.
Yep.
Number one, everybody.
Yeah, I'm surprised it wasn't one per episode. Or will he make up the average here?
I can make up the average here if you want.
No.
No, go for it.
No, that would be
Okay.
unnecessary.
Because if I remember correctly,
never-
remember correctly, this game forces you to restart the whole game.
No,
No, don't.
I just switched as the white
don't.
Yoshi, and I didn't there was no repercussions for it. Yeah.
So, it
No,
just,
you lost your life. That was the okay.
Do 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 do.
Like it too. Yay.
I'm the. I love that the white actually blends into the white.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's technically gray, but everybody calls it white.
Like, he looks albino.
Yeah, he's albino. There we go.
He's albino.
Does Yoshi look like he came out of a cave?
Look at me, I got 3 heads. Now 2. Now 1.
I have no more. That's right. It's like that one is like a perfect that you have to hit all 6 of them.
3.
Okay,
Or
so
all 6 heads?
Well, all
These
3 heads
Yoshis are-
twice. So you have to use all 6
these are
shots.
babies, right?
perfectly.
Right?
That's the conceit,
These,
yeah.
these are actually baby Yoshis, right?
Oh, the Yoshis, I don't think so.
No, in this game.
I have no
I
idea.
don't think so.
No, I read the story. It said that these are actually child Yoshis.
Okay.
1.
So they're. How do they still make babies if they're children?
And
Oh,
child
they're
pornography?
holding eggs. They're using eggs. They drop eggs.
Yay.
Probably because the conceit here is that the eggs aren't reproductive.
They're
in
looking
nature.
for mates.
It's like
Why
if
you
you have
think-
a.
Why you guys are really thinking into this? Why? I
I'm
have
not,
to
I'm
legitimately
not
ask this
saying.
question now.
Look, are we gonna now just start power scaling the Yoshis?
Look,
Over 9,000?
mass-produced
Yes.
eggs.
No, like just you know what
Only
the power
eggs
scaling.
can sustain me. No, no, only cartoons. Okay.
You're not. You are
Oh.
not. You're not Chris.
I freaking love Oni plays.
Actually, I just watched the speed run of that game.
What?
Of
Oni plays?
no, of well,
You
he
can
fools
speedrun
around.
Oni plays?
No,
Yeah.
of Simpsons Hit and Run. I just watched a speed run of it.
Oh. Oh yeah. Really?
Actually, I had a kidney stone during when I was watching it. Not fun.
Okay.
Yeah, so I was in New York this past weekend and I got a kidney stone.
Oh, isn't that
Oh.
funny? I'm going to New York. I'm going to New York tomorrow.
Oh really?
Did Colette find his kidney stone?
Oh no, I pass kidney stones all the time.
Wait, really? How
Yeah.
old are
Okay,
you?
this is new information here.
Yeah, let's see. I passed a kidney stone. Let's see. I passed one early this year or late last year.
Wait,
December,
what's a kidney
January.
stone?
Basically,
Basically,
Okay,
a mineral
imagine
deposit
fitting a
in your
rock.
kidneys that hurts like hell.
Imagine through. Okay, you know like why how it's like women feel the ultimate pain of labor.
childbirth.
Nope. 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 Nope.
It's worse
Imagine
than
that, but for men. With their
But
dicks.
it's actually
That's
worse,
it.
according to
Yeah.
nurses.
Yeah, it's much worse. I mean, it's basically us giving birth. It's
To-
just
to a
basically
rock.
pissing out rocks.
I get
Very
them.
large rocks.
It's not. Mine were about
Not
5
large.
millimeter. 5 millimeter.
Ugh, God. Just thinking about it.
So
makes
yeah,
me sick.
so I was in New York.
The dumbest fan fictions ever.
So I was in New York and I passed a kidney stone. And I was watching Simpsons Hit and Run and I didn't feel so good. So I asked my mom for some Advil. And
You just passed a kidney stone. You
no,
did.
I had to go to the hospital first.
Jeez.
Oh.
It wasn't my first time passing one, so whatever.
Okay, so is there a way to prevent it?
Nope.
Once you have it.
Mine is a genetic disorder.
Oh,
Okay,
dude, I
that
feel
makes sense.
Sorry.
So I pass. So usually there's so there's 2 types of kidney stones. There's uric acid and there's calcium. Calcium is a lot worse because it's actually made of more of a rock base.
Yeah.
Mine is uric acid, which mine happens more frequently.
Frequently.
Yes, frequently.
That's how you pronounce it.
So what do they do? Like, do they just numb
Nothing.
ya
They,
to
they
hell?
can't do anything for me. They just give me pain meds and just I'm on my merry way.
Just find a toilet and just piss it out.
They give me pain medicine, then I piss it out. Actually, so I happened on a Wednesday, so it happened on 4th of July. I went into the ER, and I thought I passed it in the ER. Next day, my parents were going to see the Oculus. If people don't know what the Oculus is, it's kind of like the shopping mall for 9/11. It's this cool structure. It kind of looks like a spine with ribs on it. and downstairs is where the mall is. So we went over there, and we walked around for, I don't know, about an hour. I was feeling really unwell, and my mom said I was pasty white, like I was white as a ghost. So we went back. She gave me some Percocet because I got kidney stones often, that she travels with really powerful drugs. So, and about an hour later, well, first my parents went to a dinner with my aunt, and they leave me in the hotel because I don't want to be a burden on them. Right before they leave, they gave me the Percocet, so I went down high as a kite to get myself a burger. I was high as a kite to get myself a burger, and there's a burger place called the Burger Joint that's literally right next door. If you don't know what the Burger Joint is, look it up on Yelp. It is a really good burger joint.
So it's literally
know,
a burger
the Shake
joint
Shack
named
is a
the
good
Burger
place,
Joint.
too.
Yeah, called the Burger Joint. It's in
Okay.
this. It's called in the Meridian Hotel.
Ever been in the Shake Shack?
This is a lot better than Shake Shack. You ever
Yeah,
been
but do
to
they have good
In-N-Out Burger?
milkshakes?
You ever went to In-N-Out Burger? In-N-Out
Yes.
Burger is the best.
I also went.
Yeah,
I gotta agree with you.
is the best
Sorry
burger.
about that.
I think Five Guys have better fries, but I think In-N-Out Burger has the best burger. But back to the subject. So I get myself a burger, I eat it. I was like, oh, I need to go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom, and I just hear a plop. I was like, oh, there's my kidney stone. Cool.
Cool.
Yeah, cool.
Cool, you gave birth to a rock child.
He was about 4 millimeters. Beautiful baby.
What'd you name it?
Nips.
This episode should have ended like 3 minutes ago.
Wait a minute, why are you complaining?
Because you have such an odd
Gotta
structure,
be
you're not even
loud.
following it.
No, I'm not. But whatever. Let's sign out then. I've been Realtors Jake, and my partners have been.
Absolutely dumbfounded.
Laughing.
Oh, it's me, bros.
Just laughing.
I've honestly just stopped keeping track. Sorry.
Good night,
Hey,
everyone.
what's my name again?
Who cares? Good night,
Jealous.
everyone.